For this adventure, we started out north of Highway 6 in the Tillamook Forest. The meeting site is the Diamond Mill HOV staging area, where we aired down and headed out. Our first stop was Triangulation Point. Triangulation Point provided some just incredible views all the way from the Pacific Ocean to Mount Hood and Mount Rainier. The next stop was Kilshis Falls. Sometimes on the map it's difficult to know if a falls will be on the side of the road or require a hike. This time it was on the side of the road, and it was spectacular. The snow runoff had subsided already, so we need to come back here next spring when the water is really flowing. From there we headed back south across the Wilson River, crossed Highway 6 and into the Jordan Creek area. This took us to Hembray Ridge, where there was some misadventures with one of the drones. There was a short curated 4x4 trail called Zigzag, which provided a little fun. Otherwise, the majority of the roads were pretty smooth gravel, although with a lot of elevation change. Then it was back to Gobbler's Knob. This time, the snow was gone and the skies were clearer, and the views were unbelievable. We could see 6 different peaks from this location. Heading back, we followed the Trask Rivers, stopped at Barney Reservoir to air back up, and we wrapped up back in Carlton for dinner. Again, Onyx Off-Road made planning really easy. Using the guided trails, I have a great sense for what the trails will be like, and it takes a lot of the guessing and turnarounds out of the picture.
tubes, pull it down the river.
Here at Hombre Ridge, the big drone decided to veer off by itself, ram some trees, and fall down the ridge. We used the second drone and tried to find it. The drop in this area was about 500 feet, so it was challenging to say the least.
Okay.
You're gonna have to pull if you need more.
You got it if you pull a little.
Oh, jeez.
Lasso! Or pull that rope taut on your end.
Nothing.
Couple of feet. I mean, 3 up over there. Are you stable if I give it a little yank to move it? Cool. It can't be uncaught at this point. You're a
Hell
fucking
yeah!
savage.
Let's go! I'll tie it around your neck or...
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, let me reposition. I'm a little down the hill.
You grab it in my hand.
Tell us when you're good. Don't scratch the lens. How we manage that?
We're good. Does this look familiar? Hey, it's a drone!
No, that's the wrong one.
You sure you didn't see no one
Mine's
down
the
there?
white one.
So this part is really steep.
Okay.
What I might need to do is...
Want to leave it, get above it?
Oh, the gimbal's gone.
It happens.
Okay. We got the main guts back.
Yep, hopefully the memory card's in it. Memory card's in the body.
All right, pull.
Okay.
Good, wait.
You lost my battery?
Yeah, battery's missing. It's still on though.
Yeah, you got one battery.
Okay, pull. Great, wait.
Feel 2 is 1 is not.
Pull.
This doesn't get us like a yank of rope pump.
Yeah, we won't tell them these are cheap animals.
I can color correct it.
Dave's got all the audio.
This green will be
recorded too,
this
so.
green will be bright red.
Look at that.
Dude, you're a fucking savage. Thank you, man.
Got it. was fun as hell.
Memory card's still in it. We got video. Not of the crash,
Still
unfortunately,
trying to
but we got our morning video.
Sort of thing.
Yeah, I heard you flying, and then as you said over the radio, you see it. I'm like, that scares the shit out of me. The fact that he said he sees it. He's nowhere near the top if he saw it.
On B6G, what's the most weird use of your recovery gear?
Throwing Adam over a cliff, going after a drone.
Yeah, you're coming. If you came in, yeah, we were, yeah, so you definitely. That's really pretty to stop. I want to see what's at the base of it. That could be a good one to see that. And as had become a tradition, we finished with a brisket sandwich and a beer.